Hi, my name is Matt Hennessy, and along with filmmaker Kevin Coons, we are great fans of your Powerade drink, Orange. But frankly, we do not believe that the title of this drink does the drink justice. For example, you have such names as Mountain Blast, Arctic Shatter, Green Squall, and Jagged Ice. And then you have Orange. We tried to find a name that would better suit this drink. And finally, we came up with Sunfire Explosion. To demonstrate how this title would appeal to customers, we have made two commercials. One with the name Orange, and the other with the title Sunfire Explosion. Take a look.
That was an excellent game of basketball.
Yeah, it was.
Hey, what's that?
Hey, try some.
That's delicious. What is it?
It's orange.
Orange?
Hey dude, try this! Sunfire Explosion! Let me explode this into my mouth! Oh, refreshing! Sunfire Explosion, it's what's in you!